snow season has been kicking us in the teeth, but that's part of it. Today is the opening of rifle season here in Missouri. So Katrina and I are out. It's, as you can see behind me, a very bright moon. Decent wind. But we're out, we're getting set up. Gonna see what's working through today. So stay tuned. We'll see you closer to shooting light. No. Alright guys, well, we're trying to play the wind, but we're also trying to play the property, because where we're at, we kind of know certain areas they're never there in the evening, certain areas they are. So we're trying to take that in effect, but also play the wind. But it's also really warm. But nonetheless, we got home, we ate, got some food, packed a few more snacks, and got right back out here. So we're just kind of sitting on top of a hill at the moment, watching down through everything. So now it's we're finished getting set up, and then wait and see what happens. I do feel like, though, where we're at, if something does happen, it's just going to be real quick and in a hurry. It's going to be nothing. Oh shit, there it is. Right. So let's just stay on toes, hope for the best. Packed in tight. That was a buck. I could tell the way his stature was. Alright guys, well, we're getting ready to call it a morning, go home and have brunch, and then get back out here. But my brother shot one, so we came over to give him a hand, but we're not going to go in blind. So Katrina's got the gun. We're just going to slowly walk through on the off chance something's up and moving around. But we're technically going in, see if my brother needs help getting his deer out, and then we're going to head home. But something might happen in between then, so stay tuned.
That works. I'm sure Rick is probably getting all worked up. We were talking about it. That's what I told her. All right, well, Martin's on the board. Not too shabby.
Chasing her. wasn't a deer, but the little guy was chasing a doe around, and well, just couldn't let that happen, so got him quick. We're gonna go ahead and just bring him out with us. We're gonna go sit back up and finish hunting for the afternoon. All right, guys, well, we will eventually hopefully have a deer on camera, but we got about, I don't know, 11 minutes of shooting light left, and Dad shot one up over the hill. So we're going ahead and packed up. We're going to move slowly, just so if we do see something, we'll be ready, but if not, we're going to get over there and give him a hand before it gets too dark, so stay tuned.
Looking at him, just looking at me. I saw Jamie reach for the gun, so I'm like, all right, squeeze her off, bud.
All right, guys, we got up over the hill. Here's Dad. It's been a minute for him. He's got a mainframe 8, small split brow, and a small kicker coming off, but nonetheless, it's been how many years since you shot antlers?
I've shot 3 does the last 3 years.
So about 4 years since you shot anything with
Horns.
antlers. So nonetheless, guys, we're gonna get this one gutted and get him out of here. We'll be back maybe in the morning. We gotta look see how bad this storm's gonna be first, but and then we'll come up with a game plan. All right, guys, we're gonna make a whole video of not getting you to see the shot. We turned the camera on. There's no camera light, but we have literally another 12 minutes of shooting light left, and like the GoPro, like I'll show you, the GoPro shows it good. The other camera, no good. So I was like, okay, well, we're sitting there discussing it and thinking about it, and we were talking about leaving, and we looked down and there's a younger deer, not super young, but younger. He was one of the ones that we kind of talked about shooting just because he looked unique coming out. So I told Katrina, if you want it, take it. So she got set up. That's what she does, but now I'll show you her and her deer. There she is. All right, we're gonna get him taken care of. We'll maybe eventually get you a deer shot on camera this year.
was me they caught or what was going on. But then we've been wrapped up. We've had a spike and a 4-point, 2 different 8 points, but really young, all around this morning. A little bit of the does are getting frustrated. I'm kind of okay with going for a doe this morning. But like I said, they come out of the ditch blowing and running, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But at least all the young bucks are running around. And the bucks aren't getting the does because they're coming from a whole different area. But hopefully another doe or a better mature buck will walk out. We'll see. Alright guys, well, we're down to the last 30 minutes on the last day. Raylan and I are in the blind. We got out here right after he got out of school. We're giving it one last go. We're down to the wire. I don't know if it's going to happen, but we can hope.
Well, guys, that's a wrap for the 2024 rifle season. It just ended. It's been a long season. A few family members got a few deer. Katrina got one. Of course, I really didn't get any filming done. So we are going to collage the whole season. So it's basically going to be a bunch of little videos of illegal deer and deer that were too far away. And then us walking up on a few deer that were shot. No videos of them being shot, but you know, 'cause that's how my luck rolls. But nonetheless, it's been a good season. A lot of up, a lot of down. Didn't quite finish how we hoped, but now we'll go focus on trapping. Then get back into bow hunting, and then alternative season. We got 1 weekend of youth left, so hopefully Raylan can fill his tag then. But that's about where we are. We're gonna close it out, start getting trapping ready. That's what's up next. And then back to duck hunting and bow hunting. Then maybe Raylan shoots a deer with a rifle. Maybe I'll come out with a muzzleloader or a pistol. So there's what we get to look forward to. We'll see you guys on the next one.